All right, we're currently with dry conditions across the region. Just a quick snapshot of some of the VDOT cameras showing you traffic moving and dry conditions for now. Closer toward 9, 10, 11 o'clock should be a different story unfolding. Yes, an unseasonably cold day. Hard to take after that unseasonably warm day yesterday. The airport touched 39 earlier today. Of course, yesterday we were at 69, so 30 degrees colder. The air mass is still fairly dry, so initially when any precip begins, the temperature will lower more. The dew points will come up, but again, we're dealing with the dry air mass currently in place. 34, the number at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, only touching 35 for high today. So temperatures will be going down below freezing for some and other areas just above. So right now we've got 37 in Palmyra, 40 there in Dillon. We've got 34 in Stanton and 33 currently in Harrisonburg. Satellite radar combination shows you the clouds in place. Anything over the Commonwealth right now not reaching the ground, what we call Virga, but you get back toward western West Virginia, the Ohio River, and there we have some precipitation that'll likely get in here closer to us as we get closer toward 9, 10 o'clock and beyond. So again, fairly dry air mass for now. That will be changing. Winter weather advisories blanket much of the region. Just any threat of ice can be certainly problematic. Of course, the main road should just remain wet, but watch your sidewalks, your neighborhood streets and the like venturing out either late tonight or first thing in the morning. Most of these advisories run from 9 o'clock tonight till 10 a.m. tomorrow. Now, areas such as the Skyline Drive under ice warnings because there will be more accretion of ice in those areas. But several hours of an ice risk late tonight in the early pre-dawn hours of Thursday. So again, watch elevated and untreated surfaces, bridges, overpasses and the like. Most ice along the Blue Ridge, especially the northern sections of the Blue Ridge, but certainly enough to cause school delays, which are already happening, and possibly some closing. So here we go with temperatures, a snapshot of forecasted overnight lows. Again, some locations just above freezing, other areas near, and certainly some areas below freezing. So that's what we're dealing with overnight. Less in the way of ice, but there could be a trace amount, certainly farther east and southeast of Charlottesville, a little bit more across the northern Piedmont. Again, areas along the Blue Ridge could stand to have a quarter inch or maybe a little more. Right now for the valley, upwards to about 1/10 of an inch of ice on untreated elevated surfaces and the like. As far as general rainfall amounts, about 1/2 an inch or so, and we should go over to rain before this wraps up later tomorrow morning. So here we are around 9, 10 o'clock. Again, this is the model's depiction of the radar showing you some freezing rain or sleet breaking out. And then other areas will just deal with a cold rain. But as we go during those pre-dawn hours, that's when the big hit will be with any of the ice potential. And then as we get closer toward 8, 9, 10 o'clock, we'll have more in the way of rain, and then it begins to move out. The afternoon is breezy, and we'll have the return of some sunshine, and we'll see temperatures in the 50s. But again, in the morning, there will be some ice concerns before temperatures warm up. So there's the bigger picture. We have a shallow layer of cold air that's moved down the eastern seaboard here, east of the mountains, and now we have a storm system bringing the moisture over top of that shallow air mass, and hence we have the potential for some ice overnight. And you can see the colder air that's worked in. Again, matter of fact, there could be even a few thunderstorms back across Kentucky tonight as that system continues to push east. So first alert weather day should be night, as we'll see temperatures anywhere between 30 and 34, sleet, freezing rain, and rain. And then by tomorrow afternoon, we have the return of sunshine. It will be breezy. A look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. We continue with these wild swings in the temperatures. Look at those numbers over the next several days. We'll have a mild finish to the week. Another system rolls in on Saturday. It's primarily some afternoon showers, but it's a chilly day. Then we'll have a mild day on Sunday, and next week we'll have to watch closely. We could have several bouts of some wintry weather.
Oh, wow. More is on the way. It never stops. Well, according to new data